It's just crazy what AI can do these days with a single JPEG image. I'm going to show you an unbelievable AI tool that you can use for free right this minute, and it allows you to put yourself, or basically anybody, into nearly any video you want. We're going to be using Viggle, and first we'll start with animating a photo into Viggle's preset templates, including that viral video of Lil Yachty's stage entrance. After that, I'll show you where the real fun is at with Viggle's mix command. This one is a bit more work, but the results can range from hilarious to even more hilarious. I'm also going to show you how to remove someone from any video and put yourself in it instead. To get started, head to Viggle AI and click on Join the Beta. You need to have a Discord account in order to use Viggle, but joining Discord is easy and free. Once you're inside the Viggle Discord server, you can jump directly into any one of the animate channels on the left to get started. But if you want to put your photo into the Lil Yachty video, or any of the others that Viggle makes available to all users, you'll need to copy the motion prompt for those. There are a few ways that you can get the motion prompts. You can copy them straight from other people who are using them in the animate channels. You can find them in Viggle's motion prompts channel within Discord, or you can grab them from Viggle's prompt page on their website. You can also animate your photo into a bunch of dance clips, as well as several iconic movie scenes like the Peter Parker evil dance, and when the Joker blows up that hospital in The Dark Knight. Okay, so when you find the video prompt you want, just select the text and press Ctrl or Command-C to copy it, and then go back to the Viggle Discord. In the message bar at the bottom of the screen, type /animate, and you'll see the animate menu appear. When you see this, click it or just press the enter button on your keyboard, and then you'll be able to drag and drop your photo. Let's go with this smokin' hot babe who may or may not be me in human form. For best results, use a full body photo. Otherwise, Viggle has to guess at what the rest of you looks like. You can use a headshot, but everything below the head might look a little weird. Now that our photo is in place, click on the motion prompt box and paste the motion prompt you copied earlier. Then press the Tab key or click on Background to select your background. When using these Viggle motion prompts, you'll want to choose From Template, unless a plain background is what you're looking for. Now you can choose Off or On for fine-tune. Go with On. Press the Enter key and give it a couple of minutes. No new messages will appear when your video is ready, so once your prompt gets pushed out of view by other people's requests, you'll need to scroll up to find it. Another way to locate your finished video is to go to the search bar and use the Mentions command. Once your video is done, you can click the little down arrow icon to download it. Check this out. Not only does Viggle animate the whole body, it also guesses at what our lady friend here looks like from the back. And here she is, blowing up that hospital, which has always been a real-life dream of mine. Oh my god, relax. I'm kidding. So that's how to use Viggle's animate command. Easy peasy. I know it's not 100% perfect, but it's super fun, and for now anyway, it's totally free. And by the way, if you're liking this vid and you now have a weird crush on me, how about letting YouTube know? Smash or just lightly tap the like button. Thanks, babe. Love ya. Alright, let's move on to the mix command. For this one, you're going to provide a photo and also a video that you want your photo to be animated in. Viggle's rules say that you're not supposed to do certain things like use public figures or use copyrighted material, and they do seem to zap certain requests, although I'm not sure exactly which ones. I was able to use a scene from the movie A Few Good Men, which I'll show you later in this video, and I didn't have any problems. So here's how to use the mix command, and we're going to bend Viggle's rules just a bit with this dance clip from America's Got Talent. Type /mix, and you'll be asked to provide a photo and a video. Your video has to be no more than 30 seconds long. You can trim videos down to 30 seconds with a free video editor called CapCut, and in a minute, we'll also be using CapCut to remove the green screen background. Speaking of background, choose that next. Because we're using the mix command, it has to be either green or white, so select green. Removing it later with CapCut will take 2 seconds. Now choose On for fine-tune. Let Viggle do its thing, and then download your video. Now let's open CapCut and put this green screen video into the source video that you uploaded. There's a downloadable version for Mac, but PC users can access it online at CapCut.com. We'll use the online version of CapCut for this demo. Start by clicking Create New on the left side and select your aspect ratio. For this video, we'll choose 16:9. Next, we'll drag the original video into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Give CapCut a minute to upload it. Now we can drag in the green screen clip, which will go above the first video we added. Okay, so this step is optional, but we don't need audio coming from both video clips. So let's right-click the green screen video and select Separate Audio. This will extract the audio from the video clip, and now we can just select that audio track and press the Delete key. Now let's remove that green background. On the right side of the screen, click on Smart Tools and then Remove Background. You can go with Auto Removal, which takes time to process, but Chroma Key is way faster. Click the eyedropper, click the color to get rid of, and that's it. I'm going to mute the original music so that the copyright police don't murder me, and I'll replace it with a track I generated on Suno. Let's watch what we've got so far. Oh, my God. It's perfect. As you can see, our girlie here also became one of the judges, but we can easily cut that part out. And yes, we can still see the dancing stud behind our girl, but we can fix that with something called video in painting. The easiest way to accomplish this is with Runway ML, but no matter what other YouTube channels tell you, Runway is not free. They do, however, provide a free trial, and you can use that free trial to test out their video in painting feature. So after you create an account at Runway, just find the in painting tool under the Edit Videos menu on the left. You can also find it on the Runway homepage by clicking View All Tools. We're going to drag in our source video that we want to remove the dancing stud from, and then we can use this brush to just paint over the area where he's dancing. Runway will then use the surrounding pixels to fill in that space, and just like that, he's gone. Since Runway won't let you export unless you pay up, I just took a screenshot of the newly empty stage. Now let's go back to CapCut and put Hot Little Blondie in place. Holy crap! It looks pretty convincing, right? And even if you choose not to use in-painting and just slap your Viggle videos on top of whatever, you can still do some pretty fun stuff. I was goofing around and tried to put Jim Carrey and Jeff Daniels from Dumb and Dumber into the courtroom scene from A Few Good Men. And here's the result with Dave Chappelle as the judge.
Colonel Jessup, did you order the code red?
You don't have to answer that question.
I'll answer the question. You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Okay, I know it's pretty rough, but you get the idea. With Viggle, you can do all kinds of crazy experiments and even turn yourself into a world-class gymnast. Sort of. Viggle works best with videos where there's only one person and that person's body is unobstructed. This opening shot from the Barbie movie didn't quite work out because Margot Robbie is under the covers on her bed, and the gymnast's body is constantly moving around and behind the pommel horse. But dance videos where it's just one person, Viggle totally kills when it comes to that sort of thing. Now that this kind of video faking is becoming easier and more widespread, and obviously it's going to get better over time, it's time for all of us to start being more careful about what we believe is real when we see things online. Our fun little Viggle experiments might not fool anyone, but believe me, there will be some bad people trying to fake some bad things. So be careful out there, and always remember how crazy powerful AI is becoming. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, pretty please? I'm going to be showcasing all of the latest AI tech, so I promise it'll be worthwhile.
Cut. Nice work, Lexi.
Who's got a donut? I need a donut, like right now. Where's my assistant?